Dear students, we've just received a news from Dainik Bhaskar that after the 30% reduction, CBSE is going to reduce 10% more of the syllabus. Before I share the complete news, I would let you know that this news has not been created by us and we are conveying the message as depicted in the renowned newspaper Dainik Bhaskar. After watching our video, if you still have any doubts or queries, feel free to contact us through our official Instagram page. The link for the same will be provided in the description below. So the news that I'm talking about is that CBSE is quite concerned about the students due to this pandemic. So CBSE has decided to reduce 10% more syllabus from the leftover syllabus. Now, two questions arise in each student's mind. One, sample papers have already been released, so why this new reduction? Second, what will we do if more syllabus is reduced? We have already finished our syllabus, or we are almost at the verge of finishing our syllabus. So here are the answers for these queries. My dear students, sample papers consist of variety of questions. Sample papers are for your help and guidance, not to be followed literally. Similar questions won't come. They are just an idea that this sort of question may come in the question paper. So you have the variety of MCQs and variety of questions in front of you in the form of sample paper. So if the syllabus is affected, it will not affect the sample paper. Only the topics which are taken in the sample paper will be affected. Rest, the complete sample paper is for your help. So please keep that in mind. Let me now take up the second question. What will we do if more syllabus is reduced? Well, my dear students, extra study has never proven to be a loss at any point of time. In case you have already covered the topic, it's good for you. It's just that you don't have to redo that particular topic during the exam, which has been reduced. So it's okay if you've already covered the topic. CBSE observer Vibha Jha has clearly stated that CBSE is working upon this reduction and you will get the notification on papers within a few days. So if you want to be updated at the earliest, do not forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest. Thank you very much for all your love and support. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.